Well, today's first day of our newest project. We're going to do a barbecue grill island on our patio here, and it'll be the first time I've worked with metal studs, so that's going to be an interesting thing. But it should be a fun project. I've been planning it. We have the built-in barbecue grill. We have the doors, everything ready to go. Now we have to start with the framing, and we're going to get on to it. Hope you enjoy it. The first thing I'm going to do is cut two pieces of Trex to put in between those two long boards. So that'll complete the frame. This is the area I'm going to do all the cutting back here. We just got new patio furniture and I didn't want to mess it all up. So this is a nice shady area where I can work most of the day because it's going to get hot today. It's going to get like in the 90s. So I have a new saw that I only busted out of the box, and it's a chop saw just specially designed for metal studs, and there's some of the metal studs that I have. Okay, I have the pieces in place for the base, and now I'm going to use this Ramset gun to nail it to the concrete. It's a lot easier than drilling and putting a concrete bolt. So you put in like it's a little 22 shell into the breech here. Load that, and then you put this nail into the muzzle and just push it down a little bit so it's about there. Now we're going to go try it. I haven't used this in maybe 5 years. I hope it still works. It doesn't blow up on me or something. Anyway, we'll give it a shot. Okay, I just cut my first metal channels there, and my new saw worked really well, so I'm pleased. And we'll just make sure it's square and everything, and then I'll be screwing that down to the base there, and then I'll start putting in my studs.